Hey guys, welcome back to Stone Ape Cultivation. We were gifted and sent an LED grow light from Growstar, and so we just thought we'd do an unboxing video to show you guys basically how we set the light up, how it came in the box, and what it looks like when it is set up. So we do want to thank Growstar for donating this light to us. And what was actually really cool about it was when they contacted us, the very next day we got it through Amazon. So it was same day shipped. So if you are looking for a light to start out with and you want to know that you're going to get it in a fast time period, then for this review, we do know that it got to us in the same day. So this is the smallest model that they gave us to review, the 600 watt. It uses an average power draw of 128 watts, and along with LED, it comes with 4 cob lights. They do have larger models, the 1200, 1800, and 2400. So if you're looking for a light to start out with, this could possibly be good for you. Although right now we just got it, we're just setting it up, so we can't do a honest and true review until we actually grow with it. But here we are setting it up, and the one thing that did happen was we actually have that larger hook on the right. It came with the clamp on the left, so if you do need to set it up, you might have to buy a large hook for yourself because it only comes with that small clamp to set up in your tent. So here we have it all set up, and you'll see we have one plant started here at the bottom to show. So we do have a heating pad to help grow, but that was purchased separately. That did not come with the light. So overall, the setup was really easy. It came one day shipped. We did need an additional hook that it did not come with. But looking forward to actually doing a second kind of true review once we've grown something with the light. And then we can actually say yay or nay to the light. So when turned on, the fan as well wasn't very loud, which was nice. You really couldn't hear it at all unless you were trying to hear it. So basically, yeah, quick setup, fast shipping. We needed that hook, and then until we can actually do a grow with it, we cannot confirm for sure whether it's going to be a quality grow light or not. So we're looking forward to doing another review after we've tested the actual product. But thanks so much, and happy growing from us at Stone Ape.